Good day mga Kabayan Techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech, and today what we're going to do is replacing the back glass of an iPhone 8.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
The things that we need, so ito po yung iPhone 8 natin. Basag po ang likod niya. Kinover ko po ang front para hindi po siya magasgas. We need some spatula, a brush para lang panglinis, protective goggles, mechanic glue remover, and the syringe that comes with it. Meron akong blade number 4. I have the T9000 na transparent para pang glue ng glass. And then I have the cut resistance gloves. Meron akong exhaust fan na ginagamit para when I heat up the liquid, and also I have the blower. And then kung may apron kayo, you could use an apron too para to protect yourselves. Disclaimer, this method that we're going to use is the heat method. Wala po tayong laser today, but laser is also another option for you to take out the back glass replacement. Medyo costly siya, pero siguro in the future, kung meron na tayong way, then we could do, and I could show you how to do a laser removal for the iPhone 8 back glass. So let's start. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wear all my protective gears para at least to have it safe. Kung gusto nyo po magsombrero, pwede rin po para to protect you for the debris. Okay? So I would suggest this one na gagawin nyo po siya sa isang space or area in your place na madaling either i-vacuum yung area na yon or madali siyang walisin. I put the heater, the blower to 200 degrees centigrade. Yun po ang gagamitin kong heat. Mas maganda kung ang phone niyo, medyo ironic no? Yung phone niyo, mas madami siyang basag kasi mas madali siyang tanggalin. I think our point of insertion would be on this side first, and we could try doing that one. Make sure na naka-off po yung phone and fully discharged po siya, meaning low bat po. Yung iba, they try to remove the battery and the glass. Pero from my past experience, I have everything intact. The only thing that you have to be aware of is if you're taking out the back glass is to be careful not to poke the battery on the underside, especially dito sa bandang wireless charging module niya. Okay, so let's begin. So I take blade number 4. I heat up my blower here. When everything hits to 200, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-rotate nyo lang po yung inyong heat gun. Mapapansin niyo kung mainit na, yan o, pumatanggal siya mag-isa. Okay, and then I stop. Okay, take out the glass. Scrape off the rest. Be careful not to scrape the side kasi nandun yung parang continuity lang ng color. And then, so this part medyo meron siyang exposure. So makikita nyo, pumapasok na siyang ganyan kasi nga mainit na siya to the point na yung mismong glue hindi na siya kumakapit. And you just have to be careful on what you poke in. So like in this case, may mga exposed na cable na siya dito. So kung lumalaban ulit, then i-heat gun lang natin. Okay, we are finished. Tanggalin yung glass. Mapapansin nyo, iPhone 8 Plus na tong natanggalan ko. Yung iPhone 8 na I was doing a while ago, wala pala akong back cover glass for that one. So, meron pa akong iPhone 8 Plus na kailangan lagyan ng glass, and fortunately, meron akong back glass for this one. So, ang ginawa ko, yung mga adhesives na nasa likod, so in-scrape ko pa siya. Then, kukuha tayo ng isopropyl pad. We're just going to clean it. So, purpose of cleaning para kung meron pang mga shards, matatanggal siya. So, ingat lang dito sa top part na to kasi nandito yung medyo mga sensitive parts. Ang purpose nito is, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Titignan ko, ilalapat ko siya. Titignan ko kung merong umaangat. Titignan ko maigi para malaman ko kung meron pa mga natitirang sharp glass sa edge na pag nilagay ko to at pinrest na to ng clip, hindi ka makakasira. It happened to me a few times. So, gagamit po ako ng dispenser po para dito. So, I'm just going to let it down. Ipipress ko siya sa corners. Huwag nyo basta bibiglain yung pagkakapress. Kasi minsan, yung glue, masyado siyang marami. So, ang tendency, pepwersa siya dun sa glass. And in turn, mababasag nyo yung glass. Okay? So, tingnan na natin kung pwede na. Okay? And then, gagamit ako ng isopropyl wipe para lang matanggal yung excess sa gilid. So, gagamit po tayo ng mga clips. Okay? Yung pinakamaliit na clip na pwede nyo makita. Okay? I got this one from a hardware store. So, dito ko muna siya. So, I use a regular box. Put this one on the other corner. So, corner muna. So, hindi mababasag yung front screen nyo kasi yung box mismo ang magte-take ng hit ng force. Kasi pagdating sa kabilang side, yun lang yun. Yung mismong box lang ang kakain ng force. So, let's just leave this one for 1 hour to 2 hours. 1 hour, and then I'll get back to you for our end credits. Okay, so, sensya na kayo. iPhone 8 naman. The last part I forgot to record. So ito po, nagtanggal ulit ako ng back glass for an iPhone 8. Sira yung back glass nito. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng adhesive. And then, I let it sit for 1 hour. 1 hour and a half would be the most. So, then is, tatanggalin ko na isa-isa yung ating mga clips. The things that we have to watch out here is kung meron pa siyang mga nakaangat dito sa sides na to. Meron lang tayo makakapang mga excess glue. And that is okay. Kasi madali naman yung tanggalin. I think we are all good for this one. So that's it mga Kabayan Techers. This is your Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.